The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la la.
Summer fun at Dollywood. Okay, they've officially changed from their spring and food festival to summer festival. You probably noticed if you watched our earlier video on Dollywood with the spring festival. These used to be umbrellas hanging up there. Now it's kites. Pretty cool.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
So we thought we'd give you a little taste of each of the festivals while we're here. And there's a huge deal for you to see. I'm gonna say at the end to make it a little special, and that is the drone show.
Yes.
So you'll get a little snippet in the beginning as a teaser, and then at the end, pay attention because the drone show is awesome. Alice and I went as the Gold Pass Club, and it was only Gold Pass season ticket holders that were allowed in that night. And it was really amazing, and we'll say more information about that later. So if you haven't been subscribed to our channel yet, now is a great time to hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, because we're going to continue doing some Dollywood and Pigeon Forge and Sevierville and Gatlinburg videos for you.
All
if
kinds
you're
of fun stuff,
thinking about coming here, you're going to want to watch all those, and ringing that bell,
Jim,
you'll get notified every time we upload new content to our channel. So don't forget, check us out. Oh, hit the like button too.
Right? See? Thumbs
Hit
up.
that like button. Hit that thumbs up.
So as usual, for our trips to Dollywood, our first stop is breakfast at the gristmill for their bread. I wish you guys could smell it through the camera because it sure smells good and it is very tasty. Gordon, you ate it all.
I did, and it was good. So nanny. Almost every time we've come here, we've gotten the cinnamon bread. Go check our other videos out about it because the cinnamon bread is awesome, and I highly suggest do it when you first get here. The park opens at like 10. If you make your way quickly back to the grist mill where they make it, there won't be a line. Like today, we got in right at 10 with the crowds. We were number 2 or 3 in line, so. And 2 hours from now, there's gonna be a lot of people in line.
So for the summer festival, you just walk around and you see all of these roadside attractions, and there's different things there, so it's pretty cool to check it out. Bush's has the largest can of beans.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la la.
right, let's see if we can get her to get in there and get wet. Come on.
Heck no.
Get in there. Take a shower.
My shoes wet. There, I got wet.
Oh, that's hardly getting wet.
I don't want my shoes all wet. I gotta walk around in those shoes for the rest of the day. I don't want to go slosh, 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 slosh.
I think she's just scared.
Well, why don't you do it?
No, because I challenged you to do it.
I can challenge you too.
Oh, it's too late. You can't challenge a challenge. You made it look so much fun, I had to do it myself.
No, you're all wet.
That's all right. I'll dry.
Are you ready for a dance party? We had a great time at this dance party. So the Smoky Mountain Summer Celebration runs from June 18th to August 7th. And every night during the Summer Celebration Festival, you can catch the dance party, fireworks, and a 3D drone show starting at 8:45 in the Wildwood Grove area. You can learn some dance moves with the Dollywood dancers while waiting for the fireworks and the drone show to start at 9:30.
Maybe I'm crazy, trying to fight it. Always been patient, now I can't wait no more. Been holding it back so long. Telephone calling, what can I say? It's all an illusion, and I'm better off This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever. To the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night. Oh, don't wanna wait all my life. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go.
So it's dark, and we're in Dollywood.
And Alice can't figure out how to hold the camera and walk at the same time.
And that was once in a lifetime experience.
Yep, it was amazing.
It was amazing. The dancers, the drone show, the fireworks, and it's 10 o'clock at night, and we're in Dollywood.
She's excited.
I
can't
am
tell.
excited.